This garden didn't start with big melons. It started with soil, sunlight, and patience. Every vine you see here grew from a small seed placed gently into the ground. At first, nothing seemed to happen. Days passed, then weeks, and slowly life began to push through the soil. Gardening teaches you early on that growth is quiet. It doesn't announce itself. It simply happens when conditions are right. Melons love warmth and light. They need long days of sunshine and soil that holds moisture without staying wet. Healthy soil is the real secret behind large fruit. When the soil is alive, with organic matter, air, and water, the plant never struggles. It grows with confidence, sending roots deep and vines wide. These vines were given space to spread. Space matters. When plants aren't crowded, they don't compete. Instead, they focus their energy on growing strong stems, large leaves, and eventually, heavy fruit. Big melons are not rushed. They are allowed to grow at their own pace. Watering was steady and consistent. Not too much, not too little. Deep watering encourages roots to grow downward, making the plant stronger and more resilient. Shallow watering creates weak plants. Gardening is often about balance, not extremes. As the vines grew, flowers appeared. Some turned into fruit, others fell away. This is nature choosing where to invest energy. Sometimes, helping the plant by removing extra small fruits allows the remaining melons to grow larger and sweeter. It's not about forcing growth, it's about guiding it. Look closely and you'll notice this garden isn't just about plants. Bees move from flower to flower. Leaves lift and fall with the wind. The soil beneath is alive with organisms breaking down nutrients. A garden is a living system, not a factory. When we grow food, we become part of that system. Big melons are built leaf by leaf. Every leaf captures sunlight and turns it into energy. The healthier the leaves, the sweeter and heavier the fruit becomes. That's why protecting the plant from stress, extreme heat, lack of water, damaged roots matters so much. Gardening changes the way you see time. You stop expecting instant results. You learn to observe, to wait, to trust that what you're doing today will matter weeks from now. In a fast world, a garden slows everything down. As the melons grow, their weight becomes noticeable. They rest on the soil, warming in the sun. Their color deepens. Their shape fills out. You don't pull them early. You watch. You learn the signs. A ripe melon tells you when it's ready. Harvest is not just an action. It's a moment. A quiet acknowledgement that the plant has finished its work. You lift the fruit, feel its weight, and understand that patience has a physical reward. But the real reward isn't just the food. It's the process. The mornings spent checking leaves, the evenings watering as the light fades. The connection formed between effort and outcome. Gardens remind us that abundance comes from care, not control. That nature doesn't hurry, and yet everything grows. When we respect the rhythm of plants, they provide more than food. They provide calm, purpose, and perspective. This is what a garden offers. Not just big melons, but a reminder of how life grows best.